Welcome. Here's your lesson for 12.3 math. Write multiplication stories. So, today we are focusing on understanding multiplication further by writing multiplication stories. Before we even start the lesson, I want us to review skip counting or multiplying. Remember, they're the same thing. Okay, so let's skip count or multiply by twos all the way until 20. Are you ready? Yes. Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Very good. All right. Now let's skip count by threes. Are you ready? Yeah. Everyone show me your fists. All right. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and we're done. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is
27.
3 times 10 is 30. You see why I say show me your fingers? So let's skip count by threes one more time. Show me your fists. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and we're done. All right, show me your fists again. We're going to skip count by fours this time. Oh, let's all count together, count by fours. Oh, let's all count together, count by fours. I'm going to say the numbers slowly. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and 32, 36, and last comes 40. Oh, let's all count together, count by fours.
Yeehaw!
All right, I need to see everyone's fists. Renaya, your fists, please. Everybody's fists. Everybody needs to be doing this. Everybody, everybody, everybody. One more time. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. And 4 times 10 is 40. All right, now let's count by fives, okay, to 50. You ready? Show me your fists. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Everyone needs to be answering. 5 times 2 is
15.
5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, anyway, let's keep going. What should you include when writing multiplication stories? So use counters to model the problem, draw what you modeled, then write an addition sentence for the problem. Let's read the problem. All right. It says, have children model with counters and then draw a picture and show the addition. Carlos has 2 blue blocks, 3 red blocks, and 5 green blocks. How many blocks does Carlos have? Okay, so let's see. Carlos has 2 blue blocks. So we're going to draw 2, oops. There we go. 2 blue blocks, 3 red blocks, 5 green blocks, How many blocks does Carlos have? I know. All right, so we're adding 2 plus 3 plus 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10. That is very simple. Very simple. All right, let's look at the second one. Maybe the second one is a little more challenging. Let's see. Carlos has 2 blue blocks, or that's the first one, sorry. The second one. Sam has 5 blue blocks plus 5 red blocks plus 5 green blocks. How many blocks does Sam have? 5, 10, 15. Class? How can we write this as a multiplication sentence? 5 times what? 5 times 5? How many times am I adding 5, Brenaya? 3 times. So what is it, Brenaya? 5 times. It's okay. 5 times 3. Good job. This is the same as 5 times 3. Here we cannot write a multiplication sentence because you're not adding the same number 3 times. You're adding 3 different numbers 3 times. But here you're adding the same number 3 times, so 5 plus 5 plus 5 is the same as 5 times 3, which is what? 15. All right. This story is about equal groups. The picture shows the story. 3 children each have 5 marbles. See the 3 children? Yeah. They're the little circles. The 3 children are the circles. Each child has 5 marbles. They have how many marbles in all? 15 marbles. 5. Let's show our counting on the top. 5, 10, 15. Amazing. Excellent. Keep going. So we're going to write stories about equal groups of toys. Use the counters to show the groups. Draw a picture. So they already gave us how many groups. They already told us what's going to go in each one. It's going to be toys. So here it says 3 children. That means there's 3 groups. So what do you think I'm going to write here? How many groups are there on number 1? 3. So how am I going to start it off? Same thing. 3. I'm going to write 3 children, or you can say 3 whatever, dogs. I'm just going to go ahead and make it the same as this, so it's simple for you. So 3 children. Three children have... Okay, we can't write 5 marbles each, but does it tell us how many toys each? No, it just says equal groups. So we're going to choose. So how many toys do you guys want to put in each group? Let's try 2. So 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. So 3 children have how many toys? 2 toys each. Okay. 3 children have 2 toys each. Now I have to write what the answer is. They have how many toys in all? They have 6. Good. They have 6 toys in all. It is easy. Very simple. They have 6 toys in all. Simple, simple, simple. And just to make things easier and just to make sure we all understand, this is a multiplication problem, which is 3 children, 1, 2, 3, times 2 toys each. And 3 times 2 is what? 6. Okay. All right, so go ahead and make sure you write this number sentence down with it. You have to write, if you change the number of toys in each group, that's fine, but you have to write the right problem with it too, okay? All right, so here it says you're doing the same thing. You're still using toys. So we're going to write a problem, but now instead of saying 3 children, how many groups are there now? 2. So you're going to say 2 children this time. Okay. 2, and again, you can use whatever object you want. I just use children to make it simple, but use whatever you'd like. So 2 children have, how many toys do we want to give each child this time? 10. Let's do that. 4? All right, let's do 4. 2 children have 4 toys each. How many toys am I going to draw in each box? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 children have 4 toys each. They have how many toys in all? How many? Good, 8. They have 8 toys in all. They have 8 toys in all. Now you have to write the multiplication sentence to that. So that's going to be, how many equal groups are there here? 2. Times how many toys in each group? 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Very good, Amaria. 2 times 4 is 8. Make sure you write the multiplication sentence down too. Okay? Awesome. Since this is so easy, schmeezy, lemon squeezy, I'm going to ask you to do number 3 and 4 on your own. So, hold on. Before you start, it says write stories about equal groups of marbles. Use counters to show the groups drawn for each story. So you're going to say, it doesn't have to be kids. You can say each bag has so many marbles. Or each space has so many marbles, okay? So go ahead and pause the video now, and I want you to do number 3 and 4 on your own. Pause the video now. All right, so now let's go back. Who wants to share the problem they wrote for number 3? Leah. There are 6 what? Okay, there are 6 bags. You don't say of marbles. You just say there are 6 bags and then period. Okay, then what? Very good. There are, sorry, I'm trying to keep up with you. There are 6 bags. And then you said each bag has what? Each bag has 3 marbles. Okay, then what? Very good. There are, or so there are, doesn't really matter. Good job. There are, and she put 3 in each one. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So there are how many in all? 18 marbles. Very good. In all. Okay, and if I write that as a multiplication sentence, Leah, what is it? How many groups? 6 times, good, 6 times 3 is what, Leah? 18. Okay, who wants to give me a problem for number 4? Renaya? There are, but how many jars are there?
Oh, there are 6 jars.
6 or 4? Okay, there are.
4 jars.
Okay, good.
Each jar has 4 marbles.
Each jar has 4 marbles, okay? Okay, but you have to answer the question, so how many? There are 4 jars. Each jar has 4 marbles. Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, my fingers are cramping. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many are there in all? Anyone? Can anyone help me?
Yeah, 60.
Okay, very good. Thank you. There are 16 marbles in all. And the problem to this is 4 times 4 is, what's 4 times 4? What's 4 times 4, class?
16.
Thank you, 16. Ooh-wee. Okay, very good. If you need time to write this down, you can pause the video now. All right, moving on. Let's look at number 5 together, and then I'll let you do the rest on your own. Drew has 2 bags with 10 marbles in each bag. So he has 2 bags with 10 marbles. Each means multiply. That's a key word. Box it. Bag. That's for Drew. Tony has 5 bags with 4 marbles in each bag. Use words to compare the number of marbles that Drew and Tony each have. So this is a 2-step problem. Drew has 2 bags with 10 marbles in each bag. So Drew has 2 times 10. Tony has how many bags? I wrote over it. I can't see it. Okay, Tony has 5 bags with 4 marbles in each bag. So that's 5 times 4. Drew is 2 times 10. So let's solve those multiplication problems. What is 2 times 10?
12.
No. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. What's 2 times 10?
20.
20. All right. Now what's 5 times 4? 5, 10, 15, 20. What's 5 times 4?
20.
20. So they both have the same, right? They both have the same amount of marbles. Or they both have 20 marbles. Right? They both have 20 or they both have the same. Same thing. All right, very good. So that was pretty easy. Go ahead and do page 402 through 404 on your own. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. See you later. Bye.